Hi Henry, here with some math now. On Fridays we usually do a game because that's what they do in first grade. They do some math games and review and stuff. And since I'm not going to be here on today, I figured you and maybe mom or dad or somebody could play some math games with you today. And then tomorrow we'll go over the next lesson. That might be just a little bit easier. So one of the things you can do with mom or whoever is play this mixed practice addition number 1, and then it says game 6 here. It's just mixing up some different addition problems, which is what we've been working on in class here. And maybe you want to use pieces of Lego as counters to help you count them, because some of them are kind of some big addition problems, like 6 plus 3 and 2 plus 10. You might know that one. 8 plus 9 way down here. So you might want to use pieces of Lego or pieces of cereal or gummy bears or something fun like that to help you with counters that way. And then maybe you want to use Legos or something to fill up the spaces here so you can reuse this game more than once. So play a game with mom or dad, helping out with some addition problems, because that's what we are going over in this chapter in math. Another thing that they're doing in first grade again is talking about apples this week. So there was an apple graph in there, and usually what we have done in the past at school is we bring in red, yellow, and green apples and then give you each a slice, and then you decide which one you like best. So what I would like you to do is color in green, red, and yellow apples there, and then have mom make up some numbers here. They cannot be bigger than 9. So any numbers, maybe 3, 7, and 5 or something like that. Then you're going to come down here and color in red, yellow, and green, and then graph how many people liked yellow apples the best and green apples and red. And then there's 2 questions over here. Most students liked blank apples the best. After you look at your graph, you're going to tell me, you'll be able to see which apple was the best, that had the most, and you color in the apple that shows the color of the apple that they like best. And then tell me what kind of apple you like the best, because I'd be curious about that too. So you and I were going to make up some data to put into that. Like I said, if you were a class, we would go through the whole class and see who liked what the best. So this still can have fun with apples, and I'd like to find out what you think is the best kind of apple. For me, I like good old red apples, but if I have caramel sauce, I like green apples the best. So for math day, it's just going to be math games, reviewing addition problems, reviewing your numbers 0 through 30, identifying and putting them in order, out of order, backwards, and then counting by 2s, 5s, and 10s. So basically it's a math play game. Play games for math this time. And then tomorrow we'll move on to the next lesson in our chapter. So enjoy your fun time with math, and I will see you tomorrow. Adios.